How to chat on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually chat on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, simply make sure to either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, typing in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. In order to chat with someone, first of all, simply go to the chat icon from the bottom left corner of the screen and then make sure you're under the chat page. Once you're on the chat page, you'll be able to see a list of friends whom you've shared snaps and chats with. So keep in mind that Snapchat chatting is a little bit different. It's going to get disappeared right after 24 hours or after sometime if you have not saved them. Let's say I simply select any of the group chats over here. You also want to understand that in order to chat with someone on Snapchat, you have to be friends with them. If you're not friends with them, which means you have not added each other on Snapchat, you will not be able to chat with each other. So just go ahead and select any of the messages over here and just hit the send button to enter your messages. If you want, you can also go through a bunch of Snapchat fancy things such as your cameo still face. You could change a clock, you could change your cameo bitmoji avatars, you could go to GIFs, you could go to emojis, stickers, and so on. And this is simply, and if you want to share a snap, then you can select the snap icon and you can just take a particular random snap and just tap on the send button over here, and as you can see, it's been delivered. If you want to save a particular chat, just long press on it and you'll find the option that says save, and you can just select save in chat, or you can react to it, you can copy, you can delete, you can reply to that chat, or you can snap reply to that particular chat. If you want to call that person, tap on the video call icon or the audio call icon on the top right hand side of the screen. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then chat on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.